sounds like a freight train over there. There is rotation all around Calgary right now. There are 3 cells that have rotation in them. Such an unnecessary thing for cars. So yeah, some nasty cells moving through Calgary right now. And they dropped marble-sized hail. And there's more coming. All heading northward. Alberta Weather Modification Station is in action today. This is the back side of a cell that just moved through. Dropped a bunch of hail. But it's still building. This one has rotation. So I'm just watching it right now. See the leading edge there? Still building. And the thunder is rolling in the distance. So here we're looking at the Weather Network Environment Canada satellite imagery over Calgary as those cells are moving through, and there's still more coming. So stay aware and prepared, friends and family here in Calgary. These storms are bringing marble-sized hail, a lot of lightning, very extreme torrential downpours in some areas as well. So we're watching the next round of storms to come in over the next couple hours. We'll be racing through this evening, all heading northward. And all of these storms seem to form right over Calgary. Everything just kind of merged there. The first round of cells that went through, rotating supercells that quickly formed off of the foothills early this morning and ran through and were let go this afternoon through Calgary. Now Calgary, Alberta has the only Canadian weather modification station. Weather Modification International, and a good friend of mine, Eckhart, sent me this as they were in full operation today, looking at 3-4 rotating supercells. So thank you to the weather modification stations, as these storms could have brought even bigger sized hail and possibly even some funnel clouds. So very interesting indeed. They are modifying our weather and have been for a long time. Thanks for watching. Please share this video. Bye-bye.